Welcome back. You are now looking at an email that has been opened inside of Microsoft Outlook. And what you'll see here inside of the email is there is a section now that allows you to summarize the email with Copilot. And so all you'll need to do is to click on the top of the summary, and then Microsoft Copilot will start the process of looking to summarize your email. And you can do this with any email within your inbox. And you'll see the summary here. Typically, what you can do is you can either upvote or downvote the summary, and you can provide feedback to Microsoft. And you'll see that it will work with just about any email that you have in your box that you received in Outlook. And again, all you'll need to do is to click the summary button, and then Microsoft Outlook will generate a summary using Copilot. And so typically what you'll want to do is you'll want to check the summary against the actual content in the email so that you can continue to upvote or downvote the accuracy of the summary as you see it. So there are some emails that Microsoft Copilot will not summarize. For example, you'll see that there is a specific email here, and this email was not summarized by Microsoft Copilot. So it's a good idea not to rely on the summary, but to use it as an additional tool in becoming more productive in understanding what you are reading. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.